In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read and respond to emails in Gmail. We will break down this process into two main sections, reading and responding. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to read an email in your Gmail account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, you will see a list of your emails. Unread emails are usually displayed in bold, making them easy to spot. Go ahead and click on one of these bold emails to open it. This action will take you into the message view, where you can read the content of the email in detail. If, after reading, you want to return to your inbox to see more emails, you can easily do so by either clicking the back button in your browser or using the menu to navigate back. It's straightforward and keeps your email management flowing smoothly. Now that we've covered how to read an email, let's move on to how you can respond to one. Start by opening the email that you need to reply to. At the bottom of the message, you'll see a couple of options. The first one is Reply. Clicking on Reply allows you to send a message directly to the person who sent you the email. There's also a Reply All option, which is extremely useful if the email was sent to multiple people and you want everyone included in your response. This ensures that everyone stays in the loop. There's also a handy feature next to the Reply button, a down arrow. Clicking on this gives you more choices, such as Forward, which allows you to send the email to someone else who wasn't originally included. This can be a powerful tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently. Once you've decided how you want to respond, it's time to type your message. A text box will appear for you to draft your reply. Take your time to write your message clearly and concisely to ensure your response is as effective as possible. After you've finished composing your reply and are satisfied with its content, look for the Send button, typically located below the text box. Clicking this will send your message on its way to the recipient, completing the communication loop. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to reading and responding to emails in Gmail. With these steps, managing your emails can be efficient and effective. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on everyday tasks.